Hi, my name is Mark Viner. I'm just going to talk a bit about insurance now. As part of any good financial plan, you need to balance the investment side with, importantly, the insurance side, because there's no use worrying about your assets growing and getting there, having enough for retirement, if you don't have a very good safety net in place in case of emergency. And what we talk about when we talk about a safety net is, in generally, unless you have the assets or your assets are starting to grow, you therefore need insurance to help fund this, to make sure you are looked after, to make sure your family is looked after. Now, depending on your stage in life, it depends on the type of insurance you may need. You may be just starting out in the workforce, you're single, and the one thing you would really worry about in that situation is your income. Your income underpins your whole lifestyle. Everything you work for, your holidays, your travel, going out to eat on the weekend, it's all underpinned by your income. And so it's important to protect it. So we would have that. You only have to work out between now and right through to 65 the means of potential salary at risk. So it's important to cover that. Once you get married, have a mortgage, have children, the trifecta as they say, you'd want to make sure your family is looked after. You would not want to get hit by that proverbial bus and leave your family worrying about how to pay off a mortgage, worrying about how they're going to provide the income, the children's school fees and so on. So it's important to make sure you have life insurance. If there are other insurances to consider, trauma insurance, total and permanent disabled insurance, and an advisor can go through all that. Importantly, not just go through that, they will work out how much insurance. It's amazing when you see the statistics that 1 in 5 Australians don't have adequate amount of life insurance. So you need to do the calculations. And lastly, I'd make sure you have not just one company to choose from. You want an advisor who can provide you an impartial view on a range of different companies. And just finally, when it comes to claims, when you're not well, you do not want to have to deal with a 1300 number. Come to an advisor like us who can look after this for you.